Welcome everyone to this week's IPLD sync meeting. It's December the 6th, 2021. And as every 2 weeks, we go over the stuff that we've worked on or have any news in regards to IPLD. And today it's probably a quick meeting with not that much attendance, but we do it though. So yes, Danielle, what's your update?
So I'll be brief because I was AFK for a week in the past 2 weeks. But something that came out of the recent bootcamp is that somebody made a PR to IPLD Prime. It was an issue marked as good first issue. And it's essentially an API called fluent.toInterface. It converts an IPLD node to the simplest Go value. So an IPLD struct becomes a Go map and so on. Alfonso also found a couple of bugs in bind node. So it does mostly work, but I'll be fixing those. And I also added a bunch of APIs to Go multi-codec for stuff that Go IPFS needed. And finally, as a bit of a heads up of what I'll be working on over the next couple of weeks, is that I'll be helping GraphSync move their protocol from protobuf to IPLD DAC CBOR. So we'll see how that goes. And that's it.
That's actually pretty exciting. It's super cool. And so I have just like nothing I've really worked on, but just some news from the Rust IPLD world is that there will be some more development going on due to the Filecoin virtual machine work. So currently they look into if they use the current Rust IPLD implementation, if they can use it. And so items that need to happen there are things like making it work with no standard and perhaps the error handling and so on. But just basically also a heads up that hopefully more development happens on the Rust side of things again, which is pretty cool. Yes, I think that's also all I have. So that was a pretty quick meeting, and yeah, I hope to see you all again in 2 weeks. Goodbye, everyone.